So this is how to generate a random boolean using the random.choice function in Python. So let me clear this first. Clear. So this random boolean is very useful when you are coding a game like heads or tails, or you're trying to like split a bill between two people, and you want the your code to pick a random person. So you can just use this head or tails. So this is how it works in code. First, we need to import the random module. We need to import the random module. Then random.choice as usual. Then add in the boolean values, which is true or false. So now let's save this into a variable. Let's call this random bool, and then print this random bool. Now when we run this code, it prints either false or true. False, false, true, false, true, 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 true again. Wow, this is weird. True, false. So that's it. So it does it depends on, you could be flipping a throwing a coin or tossing a coin, and you keep tossing, it could be heads consistently, and then after a while it just becomes tails. So sometimes you never can tell. So that's exactly how this works in Python. So I hope you found this video useful. I made this video for you. If you found this video useful, and just hit that like button and subscribe, because I make a lot of Python content, and very soon I'll be making content on Python, C++. I'll be making backend projects. I'll be making AI machine learning projects very, very soon on this channel. So for all of that and more, see you on the next video. Peace.